Hold on, why they saying Kai tweet? Yo.
Wait.
Kai tweet. What?
What happened?
What?
What happened?
No way! What? No way!
Please.
What?
Blowing up Clover
You
Hall,
gotta
get
blow-
here now.
Fake ass reaction.
That's fake.
Wait, they're not blowing our crib vote. Show it. They're not blowing our crib vote. Show it.
USC, superstar, perfect running back. Yo, nigga said he won't smoke. You know he want none of that. Told her that I'm about to come. Asked her what she wanted at. She said, you know damn well exactly who I wanted at. I brought you niggas for dinner. You'll find me raising the center.
What's up, guys? Kenny Chris back with another video, and today we gotta talk about these fireworks go off deep end and the firework wars. And in that case, you don't know, there were fireworks on into my hood. It was a wild weekend. Shit got real, man. These niggas had a big audacity going on these firework wars. You're gonna lose your fingers, you're gonna lose your life. And this time, man, before we with you, it's this one of the most wildest shit I've ever seen this. The biggest war, the firework war I ever saw. The one that you never seen in firework wars is at the beginning of the livelihood on today's goddamn episode. Remember the first time on A&P war? A&P and Clover Boyz. They started the firework wars on a top of bed, and you didn't see that, man. And of course, A&P had an idea to go on, to Puerto Rico. And this is how they answer. They went Puerto Rico, how the hell they found out something about this. And they called Khalil, had to bend, and Chizo's a dumbass said his name right. Because you gotta say his name right, Chizo. You are such a... Well, here's what happened when A&P said on vacation.
Quiet down real quick. So listen, as y'all know, y'all the neighbors of the neighborhood. We with y'all OD. A&P to the Clover Boyz. We with y'all OD, right? So, since we're gone for the month, we had decided to do a nice greet for all of y'all. Cause y'all damn near family. Alright? Y'all are family. We want to send you guys on a beautiful vacation. While we are gone. Now listen. Wait. Hold on. Listen. Listen.
Oh, look at toast. Hey, make it toast. Hey, shot. Everybody, 2 shots. Ready? Look,
I got 2 shots. You got 10 shots under your name. That's on your room.
Nah, I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna take one.
4th of July.
Bro, why is it more life?
Wait, stop talking. Face. Yo, more life. Independence Day. Shout out to all my brothers, all my Clovers. Do it. The hate, we want all the love. We gonna keep winning.
You gotta shout out to A&P. They didn't see it.
Shout out A&P.
I'm nowhere near done. I'm nowhere.
Their house, so I can blow it down. Do you hear me? Rakai, all that not paying me when I give the subs, it gets to a point, dude.
You think I'm playing games today? Look at it. You think I'm playing games today? Look at it. Where the guys at? Show the date and time.
July 4th, baby.
Do you really think you gotta go? Do you really think you go a free vacation? Huh? Do you really think you go to the Puerto Rico? You going to the Bahamas? Are you serious? Khalil, you have no idea what you're talking about, bro. A&P docs you good, bro. But there's a case, that's a fire war on your ass. And see, that's well, that caused something, you know. But Tyler, it is what it is for you. If that's the case you didn't know, you got your prank fireworks on your ass. It's just not the same for you, brother. It's just not the same. For all the purposes that the guy knows about is one, the war is coming to get everybody else all. And you didn't know what I'm thinking about this. You guys didn't see what happens. And you didn't know why Tyler was on Bahamas. This shit is going over deep in. And you didn't want to repeat myself. Look what happened in this one. Let me repeat myself. What happened in the Puerto Rico? We seen a biggest A&P's worth was at the house.
The camera piece.
Why you keep saying Houston? Oh, no, they're not, gang.
They ain't saying
What the f? Not in Atlanta?
Not in Houston. Chill.
What they mean, but what?
nigga, they're not.
Nah. Close that back door. Check. Nah, close that back door. Yo, if they blow out crib up, word to my.
That's why they said that's here. Think about it.
In Houston. I don't think I'm his face. Why you keep saying that in Houston? You believe everything on the internet? Not in Houston. Nigga, you believe all the internet. Hold on.
Coca. Don't leak his number. He's live?
No, they said take Davis stream.
Davis stream, hold on.
75. Davis blowing up a car's room. That's what they're saying right now.
Only?
Wait, what?
They not blowing up in this room, gang.
No
They
way.
go to Davis room.
Davis not even live. Look at niggas line.
Davis not even lying.
Yo, why is this tight? Yo, how is he in chat? How the is Cotton San Antonio with Tim Duncan, Tony Park, and Manu Ginobili, and he tied to blow to the clubhouse? He's lying.
He just went live 3 minutes ago.
Who?
Davis.
Let me see.
Israel, on God.
That's never real.
Don't say on God.
It says
Wait. Oh! They in Atlanta? No way. Nah, word of my mother, what?
Hit him in the head.
And after all what happened, the shit would hit the fan.
Hey, I never really liked this wall like that. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why. I never really liked this wall.
Which wall?
This wall right here. I don't know. I don't like that shit. I don't like that. Get that. Wait. Hey, what ring over there, though? I don't know what that shit is. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, man. Y'all don't know how long I want to get back to doing this, bro. You know the crazy thing is? I didn't want to do no war stuff this year. But this kid kept testing me, bro. And one thing about kids, you gotta teach them a lesson, man. Chat, you tell me what you think. What do you think? What do you want me to do first? Go out, show the room, show all the details of the room. What's up? You got this? You know you owe me money too, right? Hey! Oh! I lost my fucking shit! No! Where my fucking, my hammer? I ain't got no weapon! No!
Signed LeBron Raymond. LeBron.
No. I'll be honest, bro. We got limits, gang.
Yeah, we do. That's too far.
Come on, bro.
No, that's actually too far.
Like, no cap, if he committed murder, I would think he was in public.
Everybody say bye, carpet.
Whoa! Great.
Just like so. Let me see. Just like that.
Niggas in my room!
I ain't tired, but they're right beside each other.
What the? Come on, bro.
Well, I want to just drown myself, bro. Not that it.
Why are y'all doing this? What the fuck is this sound?
No! My carpet! No!
That's what ties you. I'm gonna say this. Don't fall my shit. Whoa! What the fuck?
Yo, y'all gotta go back to San Antonio. Y'all gotta go back to San Antonio. Remember that.
No, look at this.
Remember that.
Word to my mother, chat. On my Deborah break. If y'all suck dick, if y'all niggas suck, when we get back, cause they refrigerated, y'all off that. If y'all Twitter, TikTok, suck my, if anybody suck and say anything about what I do, I'm not fucking with you. I disrespect any of y'all.
Boy, that shit is not breathable, nigga.
Okay, next. Oh my God, look. This nigga's an artist.
Yo.
That's a Ego, that's a Phantom, that's a MGM. You don't have to be said.
Come on, bro, let's get some water for you, bro.
These is violating, bro. I never did nothing.
Break your PC, right?
Yo, bro.
My PC.
These is spray painted right outside. Man, it's like agent. Why the f is they five? I never did nothing to these gang.
Let's get up. Let's get up.
These niggas gotta go back to San Antonio. I'm going back to Atlanta tomorrow. Word to my mother's life. Do not be sucking when get back. Y'all, chat, do not be glazing. Yo, this roll a baby on my wall. Nah, am I dreaming? What the fuck?
No promo. Fire in the. Oh. That felt good. That felt good.
Where's the farm chain?
Oh, Tyler's calling me.
He's coming.
No, he's calling me.
Word to my mother. You Nicky Jam. Yo, you Nicky Jam. Every paying that big ass.
Yo, hold on.
Yo, word to my mother.
Yo, hold on.
got the one day pillows. Send us on vacation. One of my mother yeah, just got blow our shit up. Yeah, just got that pretty good. Why the would you destroy my company? I never condone no violence. And you're trying with my friend. Why the fuck you got you're on the wall? We just paid for house manager. Who was that? Who did that? Oh my God. Ready to finish. Ready to finish. Look at my room. Yo, they're Yo, Reggie, come over here. Yo, they're. Oh my God, bro, they're violent. Bedroom. Bro, how you so calm? Bedroom. All my weed. My bedroom. Hey, 5'8".
Hold that contact every number out here. Go. Okay. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Hey, Ace, get a flip. Just get a shot at it and yeah.
Quick flip. I gotta hit Ricardo. Who is that? I gotta hit Ricardo now. That little is annoying. Oh. Gotta get Ricardo.
Oh.
Where? We need to check that room.
It's coming.
Hey, here.
Go ahead. Let me see it.
Nah, there's no fire, but you can check me to the door.
Never did anything. I bet. Yeah, I never.
What you gonna do? You wanna do it here?
Yeah, sure. I never did anything. Let me try.
What you want? This or that?
Alright, how much you don't with that included?
I don't know none of them things right now.
Damn, which?
You know, what you gonna do? Firecrackers?
Yeah.
Get all the firecrackers you got.
All the firecrackers.
You gonna make a movie in this? You gonna make a movie in this? Let me see what Kai's showing real quick. Don't show this. Where's he at? Right here. He's so ugly. Oh my God. Alright. Come on.
It's beautiful, man. Alright, go ahead. Now I say,
Go, firecrackers first.
Hey, make that shit in the hoop, man.
Firecrackers
Light it
first.
up and shoot it in the basket.
We gonna run.
Yeah, let's do it.
To where?
Hey, just get the out of the room. Hey, hold on. Just light it. Just light it up, shoot that. Alright?
You want to run this way.
Alright, that's cool.
Alright, so time, come, bring. Oh, you right here. I'm bugging, okay. Alright. Back, watch out.
I got your rebound. Alright, knock this shit down, alright? Knock that shit down.
Hopefully nobody comes through that way. Please.
Drop. No.
Come on, this side.
Right, I need to escape.
Hey, Mike, activate.
Basketball. My God.
Okay, we should do fireworks. We do fireworks after the last one.
God leave the house all by themselves in the country happened. Because they had like a cool weekend. Because you know what happened after this? And the Clover Boys did something shitty. It's because that, well, I think the Clover Boys at the A&B house is going to destroy every day they have.
fuck is wrong with this little nigga? Yo, I'm about to crash, gang. What is wrong with this little nigga? Yo, what's actually wrong with this little nigga? Yo! Nah. No, he's wilding. No, his pop. His mad shit right there. No.
On the setup?
No, give him the camera. 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 Give him the camera.
Hurry up!
My heart's beating. My heart's beating. We're not gonna have a grip. We're not gonna have a grip. Hurry up. Talk. Oh my God. We can buy more TV. Bro, what am I, mother?
Yo, what you talking about? Get back, nigga.
Buy them niggas over here. The ball.
Stop that beat, nigga.
And I'm a bar, nigga. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
Fuck the fucking blunt. Fuck the beat, nigga. Wait. Yo, Reggie, fuck the
Nah,
blunt.
smoking in your baby.
Nah, book the PJ right now, nigga.
No, book the fucking flight. They got my 10 million plaques. Book.
That's it. Fuck this guy. We need some spray paint. When that weed. Spray paint. Spray paint.
But what am I over? He let up a fucking rocket. See, that was petty. See, that was petty.
You're not gonna like it, though.
See, is he fucking slow? See, like he's fucking with, bro. He's actually slow as shit. He's wilding, bro. Like, what am I, mother? My chair is in there. You little fucking. Bro, what am I with this nigga? Is, bro. That's cool. Yo, I'm blocking this nigga number right now. He not getting no contact with me. Nigga, I'm coming. I'm going to pop up.
Hey, we out tonight, gang. Yo, we out tonight.
I'm going.
Yo, we out tonight.
Throw that shit up, bro. Let's go.
Bro. Fire extinguisher on him. Davis.
Yo, no. Bro, they wildin', gang. What up, bro? They're wildin', gang.
I'm like 85% sure we not gonna do it. 85, 94.
They're not even checking for fires. These dumbass niggas, gang. Why the fuck will we come back here? Order your reservations done.
Chris!
They doing that right. Look, right in front of the Bible. They like, come on, bro. My Bible right there. They doing that right in front of the Bible.
No, my room. Nobody checking my fucking room. Yo, what the?
Are they fucking sick? No, hold on. Gang, I did nothing to the crib that was that crazy, bro. I promise I didn't do nothing that crazy.
Okay, don't tell them about the weed.
Who even thinks of that though, bro? Doors, my nigga? It's a glass door. Keep on the gang.
Yo!
Chris.
You might get clean in the kitchen.
Yo, are they not checking my room though?
Yo, that's mad.
No.
Oh my God!
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, no joke. 500,000 damage on God!
Watch, they ain't gonna do shit here. Watch.
There that goes there.
Down!
What the fuck? Somebody fucking me shit. Come
right now, nigga.
Look at my guy. Look at my guy. He's a dumbass. He's a dumbass. Yo, get this nigga out the fucking house now. Yo, game.
What's he burning? What's he burning?
He's burning his clothes.
No.
His P.O. box. No. It's actually gonna catch a fire. It's actually gonna catch a fire, gang. Bro, he's landing off the rocket. On God. Bro, it's gonna catch a fucking fire. All these niggas retarded. Yo, gang. All these niggas fucking dumb. All these niggas fucking dumb. Yo! Bro, shut it down. Wow. It's I ain't gonna.
That shit is
Nice place. Oh my God, that's dick watcher. Oh my God, he's dick watcher. Oh my God.
This bad though. I don't know how much that is.
Yo, if we ever get in a crib, we gotta burn that shit down. I'm not showing no on the bed.
We out, nigga.
No. Alcohol.
That's alcohol. Yo, he's actually like he's slow. Gang, no. He's so fucking dumb. He's so fucking stupid. Yo, I'm done with this nigga. I'm done with this little nigga. Yo, I'm done with this nigga.
Because it's
gonna be a fire. This nigga.
gonna catch on fire.
This nigga's a fucking like dumbass. Bro, you're an idiot. Get these niggas out of the house, King. Yo, call them niggas, Gang. Get these niggas the fuck out the house, man.
Can't hear? Come on. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about! Let's go!
Yo, Bruno! Watch this.
Show me, cuz.
Yo, Bruno, get here! Let me go ahead and say something real quick, y'all. Talil tree. Let me go ahead and say something real quick. Alright, look, chat. Look. Hold on. So, chat, y'all didn't know. After we left the crib, I deadass knew these niggas was gonna do some dumb shit. So when we flew out, we got people to rig fucking fireworks in their fucking wall. Rakai's entire room is rigged with fucking fireworks within his walls. We're gonna detonate them how you use the word? Detonate them from here. On this very phone. We have every app to set off the fireworks in his. You're dumbass niggas. While y'all out there playing checkers, we out here playing chess. You dumbass little Spectrum nigga.
Security.
Oh, that's what was going on, gang? Go ahead and say something. Yo, let me tell y'all something. First of all, y'all violating. I'm gonna go ahead and say something real quick. Y'all niggas so stupid. Word to bro, I'll rig y'all entire house with fireworks. Y'all niggas so stupid. Word to bro, I'll rig y'all entire house with fireworks within y'all fucking walls. In y'all walls, have the biggest fireworks in there. When we burn that shit to ashes, don't say nothing. Proto, let it off. Daniel, where you at? Switch to ingest. We can't hear it.
When did you do that?
We did that when we left. When we left.
What the fuck y'all doing, man? Nah. Listen. I got. The crap took over.
Yo, do not let them niggas. These niggas.
Let's go.
Yo, y'all shit is on fire.
You gotta go back first. You got to in the clip. I do that more.
Hold on. I'm calling Ray. Ray confused as fuck.
Back door, bro.
He's in the house.
Bro, what the fuck?
The boom is on fire. Don't stop your fire. Don't stop your fire.
Don't read that shit, bro. Bro, fuck all they do. Bro, they starting not bitches, nigga. What the fuck?
Get your LeBron jersey back, man. Walk your ass down the hill. LeBron jersey back, nigga.
Nah, we not touching Ray room, chat. I'm not touching Ray room. I'm not touching Ray room.
Why are you not going to? You're not doing anything. God. Boom. Why are you doing that?
What the fuck is he talking about, nigga? Good shit, Proto.
What do you gotta do to finish check?
You not in?
Gotta do not only is your room getting blown up, bro. Reggie kicks fan win. Way back doors.
Oh, turn on your man.
My whole chat saying that right now.
48 Lords right there. He's 48 in chat.
Divide and conquer.
I'm not gonna lie, but this crazy to hear your costume got blown the fuck up. Why on the fireworks they got red? And then, what happened in the AP has been destroyed? Dude Dennis show up right in front on Tyler's house.
What the chat?
Is these home? I hope they home.
Well, now, I don't think so. I don't know though. I've been looking.
I hope they is. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, when he's oh my gosh, bro. Nah, I'm not even capping. I promise y'all, chat. I promise y'all.
But all the guys in Texas right now, I wasn't even supposed to be in the A right now, but god damn.
So look, let's do it.
Sell up, fuck it. Sell up, let's do it. I don't give a f if you love me.
Somebody check on Rakai. ASAP.
Oh man, damn, this easily. God damn. This easily. Oh damn, I didn't have to.
Talil starts screaming past the lighter. Your outfit with the 5 gift appreciated. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Your outfit with the 5 gift appreciated. Talil starts screaming past the lighter.
Are you the lighter? Hold on. No. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? He can't. You see everybody? You can't. No. You can't. No. You be hold on.
Violate it. No.
That's all right.
No.
Hey, go this way.
No.
Thanks to the 5 get the follow. Thanks to the 5 get the appreciate to get this.
Hold on. Damn, I thought that door was gonna be unlocked. And make sure nobody come in there. Oh yeah! Who should have said the car? Oh yeah? Shit, I'm this nigga. Oh! Oh! Damn, I'm trying to hit the camera. Oh!
Had to be done. Had to be done, bro. Had to be done, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You know, God.
Oh, for real? Go ahead, cuz. Hold on. Watch it. Hold on, let me get him, cuz. Let me get him. Ah! Hold on, let me get him.
Oh, that cam. Oh my God. So y'all probably wondering why he kept sniping the cams, chat. Rakai sniped the f out Duke Cam, gang. Wait! Hold the on! Rewind, we have to analyze what's going on! Oh no, we already watched everything. I'm coking. I'm coking. Okay, I'm coking. I was on stream and I seen everything, right? This is how... That's how much real life it is, gang. Chat, I was on stream when I seen them niggas balling, right? I'm coking. No. Y'all saying we started it, bro, but we've gotten food stole from us after the chef done took our... Rakai dumbass been antagonizing us the whole entire... You said what? What?
Look at my go.
Oh, dude.
Man.
Listen, y'all gotta understand. Dumb little gang. Y'all don't even know, gang. Tell me why Ray and Rakai set up fireworks during the time they played Minecraft, came to the AMP house, and woke me up at 7 a.m. talking about some, hey, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, we blew that shit up. Yeah, nigga. Okay? What? And guess what we did the next day? Davis, what we did the next day after we blew that shit?
Clean that up, man.
What we did the next day?
We cleaned that up for the...
We ain't burn no clothes.
Ain't burn no clothes. Look, you got a free vacation. You got your house taken care of. They damn near renovated. No clothes was messed up.
Was burned.
Monitors was finna get replaced.
And nigga, the only person that had their monitor up was Ray, and that also got replaced.
I'm grateful, bro. Niggas don't understand.
But shit, we started it though.
They
Fuck
thought.
it.
And we ended it, nigga.
And we landed. We ended that mother.
Okay.
Get chat. Hashtag. Let me get a hashtag fuck.
Don't take it, Kane. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Don't take that nigga! Get out of here, bro! Put him in the show! Put him in the show, bro!
Hold on, chat.
Everybody up! You, I need to touch on you. I didn't touch your room up. I in my crib. Get up. I in my crib. Get up. Why you know?
Dennis didn't even know I had fireworks in his walls. He's really tussling, gang. These niggas really tussling. Look at Funga.
Yeah, come on, James.
Place. Stay in your place. All right.
Hey, just know the whole watching.
No. Just stay in your place. Stay in your place. Your safety is priority right now.
Just know.
All right. Your safety is priority, man. Just stay in your place. Go tend to your room.
Oh my gosh! I thought that was a chimney up there. Look up there, chat. Look on the roof.
I turned it up. I was gonna hold it against you, but I'm mad.
So,
The great thing is I seen a lot of crashing that's all time being. And Tyler, I don't know what to say here, man, but it was kind of a craziest thing I've ever seen, man. I mean, that firework war is on the horizon, man. You guys having to figure out here, why not do it at home? Why not doing it here to do the things and whatnot? I mean, I'm sorry about the house, man. It is. But brother, in the judgment factor. And then, and I was there, some tearing ass trying to snitch on everybody. You trying to snitch on me, trying to snitch everybody, AMP, Tyler James, trying to tearing snitch on Chisel or Donnie, on ITC. These tearing ass niggas need to stop all the time. And what they did, another tearing ass did to Tyler James. Look what I just saw what happened. Watch! And who you did? You tearing ass niggas is to be a serious. What you think that it's Tyler? Let's watch it.
You guys are setting off. You're absolutely.
I apologize.
No, you don't apologize to me. This is keeping this neighborhood safe.
I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize. This isn't an apology.
I'm sorry.
This is keeping this neighbor safe. This is criminal behavior.
I'm sorry.
I'm appalled. How dare you?
I'm so sorry.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
No, I have 3 elementary children who live in this neighborhood. No! How dare you? Criminal behavior what you guys are doing in this neighborhood. And in this house specifically. And I have all of the footage. All of it. Excuse me? You own what? I know that you own it. I know that you own it. You cannot throw it is criminal behavior to shoot fireworks inside a home. No. This is criminal behavior.
I'm not hollering at you. I'm coming at you.
This is criminal behavior. I have 3. No, I will not come down. You were shooting fireworks inside that home. They were shooting fireworks inside that home. This is criminal behavior. No, I am not gonna apologize. I heard this from 1 o'clock in the morning.
I did not ask you to apologize.
It is not.
Okay.
I don't want to
Now, I don't know what state they have these houses in, and laws regarding fireworks vary based off your jurisdiction. But I still think it's crazy that you would do this within the home. Now, granted, if you're gonna have yourself an annual war, I would assume you do it in a location that 1, it's legal to go ahead and do that. But then 2, you wouldn't be around to where there's neighbors that would have to directly hear the chaos that's going on, because you're essentially disrupting their flow of life with your debauchery. Because it's all content at the end of the day. You're going to do what it is that you're trying to do to go and get as much views as you can. There's a huge subscriber base, follower base, viewer base that finds that kind of content incredibly entertaining. And based off some of the clips that I've seen, I mean, if you didn't know it was actual human beings, let's just say if it was a video game, that shit look kind of fun.
Chisel, you're at Atlanta. Why did they think it was? And you don't care what it is. They're at Atlanta. Why in front of the faces they're here? And they back here. AMP said start on Atlanta like they're good neighbors. Clover, they from Atlanta as well on the time being. You know how bad because of firework wars, the annual firework war on the God's green bases, the God's green earth. I mean, you have a great attention on this stuff, but dude, I see why I was so happy. Yo, when you ever seen And you've been so bad that you're enough for on-time purposes, but dude, not even on Magnetoss, but shit. And it got us good enough here. And then, after we saw the aftermath, what we just witnessed, that was all I tell us says about what happened to the aftermath.
Not bad. So y'all take it to the extreme.
The house actually looks fire.
Nobody give a what they talking about, bro. Nobody give a bro. Y'all cannot say they did not overdo it. Yes, I got in the same fit. Did not shower. I'm on bad time. What am I on bad time? Nobody in A&P pulled up, chat. That was not nobody in A&P that was on that mission. We went to your crib 5 deep. Dude, you recruited 6 security guards. 6 guards. 4 that's 6'9", 2 that's 6'7". You and Davo and 6 other guards. Where the fuck was the rest of your D-block homies at? Nigga, I don't respect that. You ain't spend with nobody. We spent 5 deep. Gave belt the ass 5 deep. You spin back 6 guards.
Stop. Can I get a stop in the chat? Stop.
But now the war should be but now this shit should be over because the people that showed them at the doorstep. That really don't make no sense, bro. It does not make no sense. It does not make no sense. Show y'all.
Yeah, give us a house tour.
Let me show y'all everything that they did. Once again, they started. Broke my door. And y'all know so crazy, I don't even play by my own. Broke my door, moving forward. Hole right here. Moving forward. Door right here. Look, Duke didn't do none of this. Security. Nah, security.
It's just a lot. Yo, they tore my door off. My don't even got a door.
Security. Nah. No way in the world you hired to spin. You hired to spin? I'm more mad that was not A&P or D-Block that really came and did this shit. Like the D-Block bros, like shout out to all my D-Block bros that was at home like, damn, dude. We an hour and 30 minutes away. Why we couldn't pull up?
Nigga, that's WIQ.
Nobody in A&P was here. Nobody, first of all, them took so much pride in destroying this crib.
He must have not knew. Didn't they violate security? Wasn't they making fun of security at our crib? That's why security got back. Cause y'all was doing too much. What the f? So we got the whole roster outside.
Now some agent using same light virus in my room. Now after we blow y'all up and do blow our up, virus is childish. Oh, let me go to the clip. Oh my God. What the f happened? What the f happened, agent? In that short ass time span, what happened that fast? Let me look at this clip real quick. Cause Khan said it's burnt out. Agent said it's childish. Wow. Okay. Let me find a clip where Agent said this. Oh my gosh. Agent literally said this is childish, man. Khan laughing. Khan didn't do nothing. What the fuck? Scary. What's on that drill?
You know what I'm saying? We in this bitch late night. It's summertime. Bitch, what's going on, bro? But that I ain't gonna keep saying. This whole house is abandoned. It's abandoned house. It's a abandoned house, man. This whole thing's abandoned, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit is just smashed through the beer and all that. I don't know where's all that. Our little gone, bro. For all the big boy versions, everything.
A little gone?
Yeah, these are all pussy and shit, man.
Full screen chat, full screen or default? It be lagging when I go full screen. I don't know why. That's normal, really? Look.
Everybody,
look, when I go full screen,
look like your tabs.
I have 20 tabs.
That should be happening to me sometimes. It's like I can just pull up the whole thing.
I'm trying to reopen it. Hold on, chat.
Now, chat, I ain't lie. Police been here and shit like that, bro. I want that niggas know right now. I'm literally risking real.
Control Plus.
I had to talk to my Twitch chat. I had to talk to my Twitch. You know what I'm saying? They let me stream. You know what I'm saying? So everybody's saying W Twitch, bro. Let me stream my hair. Everybody Twitch. W3 hype train. Everybody shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying?
With Kai Jenkins, boy, you gonna never learn, man. I mean, you never learn. You have audacity using real life fireworks on Junior University. You and your mom. And I cannot lie to you. I cannot lie. And especially you did yourself a purpose, that's because it was you're doing it. You're doing it to yourself, because you're doing yourself a purpose to make sure you didn't do the real life explosions on Junior University. And you couldn't do that, man. Every time you didn't see if I'm going, you were spin the block and you going there, block over there, you were fireworks on this out the hood, it's going on a wild weekend on July the 4th, doing all this kind of crazy shit going on here. They got you on all the kind of games that happen, but no. People doesn't give a damn what they gonna do. I mean, it wasn't bad to attend for you think it is. It wasn't on the goddamn life, but it was staying safe on the fireworks. Safety fireworks all the time been special, but I take it in and got. And that's the case. The fireworks are bad in the potential here. And here's my final take. If anyone who's doing the fireworks shit, please don't do that. It's really bang my damn ears off right in front of me on the outside. Like shoot guns or whatever. Come in. I mean, for real though, if it's the case here, you don't know what I'm saying. If you don't know about how these niggas have it special, I mean, I'm trying to say this niggas had a bad situation with him. Khalil, I am sorry about the hours, but somebody's gonna run up at you, maybe a screen make go for you, but that's all right from me. Because I hope they did. I'm being so far. Yeah, it's alright. You'll be fine. But for a while at least. And we don't know. We don't know. But yeah. If you're question I know, make sure to go get those damn fireworks on my streets. On the hood, so they don't give a damn what that. Yep, that's on my cake. Make sure the streets don't give a damn what they are. Take with sign off. Make sure you stay safe. Streets, watch. May the 4th be with you. 4th for we. That's the past week, but live with it. Yep. See you next time.
Where everybody saying? Yeah.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! So just do it!
Please! Please!